today we are going to be, we've got Hot Wheels blind bags. We've got a Star Wars Tsum Tsum blind bag. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we opened that purple hair girl last time. We're wanting Jawa. I want the Jawa. Or, is it Grogu? Oh my god, or Darth Vader. Grogu, Jawa, Darth Vader, or R2-D2. We've got our Stitch, I think plush blind bag clip. That's cute, that's cute. And these are the ones you can get. We are wanting the green one, the purple, the red, or the regular Stitch. And I want the dark green one. You see how it's like an emerald green? It's really pretty. And with our Hot Wheels, I like to collect the bone shakers. So we're hoping for a bone shaker. Or a Mustang, because my boyfriend loves to collect Mustangs. I'm wondering what's inside these. I'm excited. Alright. We've got a Little's Pet Shop little bag. And these are the ones you can get. I really want the husky, the gold bear. Where's the cow? The little cow. The crab's cute. Is that a sloth? No. They had a sloth, I want a sloth. Or the deer, the pink deer. That's cute. I used to collect these when I was little and I had the little play set. They're really cute and I've always loved them. And then we've got our Adorables Let's Party. It comes with 2 or 3 figurines. And then I got the Harry Potter mystery minis. Funko mystery minis. And so we're wanting the dragon. I got my mom to pick this out. So I said this one, or yeah, I really want the, is that the horse dragon? I forgot what his name was. Y'all can let me know down in the comments what the horse's name is. We got more of the Harry Potter snow globes. We are on the hunt for Hedwig and Phoenix. We've already got Harry Potter, Ron and Hermione at the ball. I'm pretty sure we got Harry at the ball too. And then we got Dobby and Professor Snape. Dumbledore or Hagrid would be cute. We've almost got the whole set. And I just really want Phoenix or Hedwig. Alright. Then we've got more of the EXO Queenie. These are different. I think it's a different series. So these are the ones you can get. Okay, the Queen of Roar. I like that one. You know how I like dinosaurs, and Queen of Raw's cute. Rawr, like rawr. Queen of Dance Parties, or the Queen of Axolotls and Axolotls. And ooh, okay, and then we've got our other ones, Queen of Me Time. The Queen of Me Time, that's a cute one. Or the Secrets, or the Queen of the Universe. That'd be cool if we got the secret. Or the only 1,000 to be found across the Quirky Queen series. This is a limited edition, so there's only 1,000 of these, and the Queen of the Universe is light up. That's really cool and nifty. Then we've got our Kirby friends. These are the ones you can get. I don't know which one I really want. Oh my god, it's Link. It looks like Link. I want Link. It looks like Kirby dressed as Link. Okay, who likes How to Train Your Dragon? Toothless is my favorite. I'm hoping we got Toothless in here. But those are the dragons you can get. I'm pretty sure there's a pamphlet in there, and I'm pretty sure you build your dragon. I saw, oh, what's his name? He did a short, and he opened these. Thomas English. I'm pretty sure that's what his name is. He does shorts, and he opens tons of mystery boxes and blind bags and stuff. He's really funny. All right, and then we've got our Jurassic World Popmart. So I really don't know who Demo is. I think he's just a character, and they I don't know. They make him themed, like. But this is Jurassic World, and to me, Demo or what his name is, he reminds me of the Precious Moments, like the Porcelain Precious Moments. I don't know if that makes sense, but he kind of reminds me, like the little face, like reminds me of Precious Moments. And we got our Peach Riot. So we got Gigi mail delivery last time. I want Gigi Diner or Gigi Housekeeping. And I think that's Frankie, and the secret's Frankie is a streamer. We haven't got any of the Frankies yet. Oh, my scissors. Alright. So we're gonna open these in minutes. I really want the bone shaker. Alright. I don't know. Alright, let's open Star Wars. We want the Jawa. Alright. Who do we get? It looks like something new. We got Chewbacca! Oh my god, is that C-3PO? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's so cute! Y'all, my excitement is unreal. It's C-3PO and Chewbacca. Oh my god, look at how cute. And then he stands on him. Oh, look at how cute. Sorry, my hand being shaky. But look at how cute. We're already on a good start. Alright. You already know they always come with pan flips. I didn't realize Chewie was an option. I completely forgot. Oh, okay. There it is. This is the one we got. That's really cool. Oh, so the child comes with its own little, his ship. That's really cool. All right. What are we going to open? All right, let's do some doorables. All right. So I'm really wanting the alien in this set. I don't know what's in the set. I just picked up a box. And now you're gonna see what's inside. Good troubles. Okay. And then that's what's inside. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, okay. So how many did we get? Okay, so we got two. We got two Disney doorables. Oh, okay. There's the pan flip. So let's see who we can get. What? They're color changing ones? Whoa, there's a whole bunch. I don't know if you can see all those. There's a whole bunch though. Alright, which ones would I want? Oh, they got Cheshire Cat. Oh my god, they got Doug. Eeyore's too cute. Okay, I want to see which one we get. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh my god, it's Anna! I'm pretty sure Anna's a redhead, and this is baby Anna, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Anna! Slumber Party Anna. She's cute. Alright, let's see who we get next. This one feels heavy. Come on. Be it cool. Oh, I don't know who he is. Let me see. Lumpy. Skate Party. Oh, he's got skates! Y'all can let me know where Lumpy's from. I don't know what Disney movie where Lumpy's from. I know most of the Disney movies. That was pretty fun. Alright. Gotta clean up. Alright. I don't know what we should open. I'm gonna open both of our Hot Wheels together. because I really want to know what we get in both of them. Alright, so we're going to open the Little's Pet Shop. Oh, there's tape. What did we get? Looks like a tiger? Which one? Oh, okay, comes with accessories. So definitely a tiger. It comes with like its own T-bone steak. That's adorable. I kind of like that one. And then you already saw the ones we can get. I'm pretty sure she comes with a card. Yes. That's the card. That's the card. Okay. All right. Who's ready to open our Stitch bag? Okay, so, oh, but he's kind of cute. Okay, that one's really cute. What is his name? Okay, they don't got names. He's adorable. It looks like he's got a meteor in his, like right here. It looks like a meteor. That's a cute one. Like a ginger Stitch. That's cute. So, I'm gonna open a box, and then we're gonna open the Hot Wheels. I want to see which one we get. So, I want to say the snow globe, wait, one of the snow globes for, before we, start opening the big stuff. So we're gonna open something new. We haven't opened these yet. And I've seen these around. This time I finally got one. I was like, let's see, because I like Harry Potter, and I saw there was a dragon in here. And my mom picked it out, so we are hoping for the horse or the dragon. Alright. This feels like a big one. I don't want to get my hopes up though. This is the one I wanted. I knew it. I forgot who this was. Y'all can let me know down in the comments. This is the one I did not want. It's okay though. You lose some, you win some. Alright. Let's see what we get in these Hot Wheels. Alright. Oh, I cut the sticker. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. We got, ooh, I like that one. Project Speeder. Ooh, that one's nice. Look at the color. Can you see all that? Whoa. And it's got the Hot Wheels on there. That's a good one. I like that one. Alright. Sorry for cutting the sticker. Oh, okay, I didn't mess it up actually. I can actually put this up on my mirror if I wanted to. Alright. Please, you bone shaker. I collect the bone shakers and I'm really hoping this is it. No! Okay. This is, track hammer. That means we're buying more. I'm going to get my bone shaker. All right. We're like pretty close to being done with everything. I'm kind of sad. All right. Kirby. We said we wanted Link. I want him. Let's see who we get. delicious. This was adorable. What are you? Oh, I don't even know how to translate that. He looks like a little clown. I like it. Look at Kirby. He's a little clown. Or maybe Jester clown. He's still cute. Pretty cute Kirby. Alright. Who's ready to see what we got in our Harry Potter Snow Globe box? Oh wait, no. Alright. We're gonna save that to second last. Okay. Let's open or How to Train Your Dragon. Alright. I'm hoping for Toothless or Three-Headed Dragon. What is y'all's favorite How to Train Your Dragon movie? Mine's the first one. There's just a reason for it. Well, kind of. Okay, I figured out who we got, I'm pretty sure. We got Skrill. It kind of told me. It's kind of... Oh, it's purple. Okay. So I'm pretty sure you display them in the box. Having some troubles. It is not wanting to get on here, so we'll just show you what it looks like with one leg on, because I don't have time to waste. But it's still really cool. I know it's missing its leg, but that's pretty cool. I know the leg is missing. It's still a really cool one. I'll figure out the leg. So that was Skrill. We didn't get Toothless, but it's okay. Alright. Let's open up the snow globe. So you already know we're on the hunt for the Phoenix and Hedwig. I want Hedwig! I'll stop buying these and get new stuff, you know? I just get Hedwig. I know we didn't get Hedwig. We got her. We got new Ron. No, we got the same Ron. We got a dupe. Okay. We got a dupe. It's okay. Let's me show you Ron. We got him in one of our other videos. But here's Ron in all his glory. I think this is when he went to the ball. It's really cute. It wasn't the time for you, Ron. We already had you, but it's okay. Alright. Let's open our Exo Queenie. Alright. We're about to be on to the Popmart. I'm really excited. Alright. Let's open it. Clean box rip. Alright, let's see who we get. See, it comes with its own little case, which is really cool. Some toys do not come with their own case. This is their card. Alright. Let's see who we get. Scissors. Alright. Let's see who we get. It's Fuzzy! Oh my god! It's so cute! It's a doggy! Oh my god. What is this one's name? I don't want to cut the card. There we go. Yay! Ooh, is it a rare? It is a rare. Queen of Wolves. That's adorable. Is she a rare? Let me check. Oh my god, so I think we got one of the rares. So... there. Okay, so we didn't get one of the rares, but we got Queen of Wolves, and she's fuzzy. She's flocked. I love flocked things. That's adorable. Okay. Let me put her in her box, and we'll show you what they look like. Alright. Oh, it's a pink box. And she got the stand. And then what I do is I put the card in the back. And then I gotta put it in the stand. Alright, look, she's in her stand. That one's so cute. I like that one a lot. Alright. So, Jurassic World or Peach Riot? So, we've never opened these before, so we're gonna wait for this one last. And we're gonna open our Peach Riot. I'm excited, but also scared. Alright, come on. Who do we get? Okay, I just dropped the wrapping. Here we got, I think we got, oh my god! Oh, I love that one! And this is, yeah, Poppy, and she is a scientist. That is so cute! Oh my god, I love this one. Alright. You know, it's kind of cool too. I like the theme that's going on right now. Where does her top secret thing go? And then she's got a top secret little thing. Card. Oh, that's awesome. Look at her card. And then on the thing it says top secret. Top secret. But she's a scientist. That's really cute. I really like these a lot. I'm not even mad we didn't get Gigi. She's so cute. Alright. On to our Jurassic Park Demo series. Popmart. I'm excited. Alright. Let's see who we get. I think I know which one we got. Oh my god, the card's an egg! Oh my god, that's really cute. Is this a is he a scientist too? See, this is why I said it's going with the theme we got going on. So, this is who we got. That is too cute. Dinosaur egg researcher. I love the cards are eggs. That is really cute. Alright. These are our accessories. Let me put them together. Alright, look at how cute that he is. Look. And he's doing research. That's perfect. We got our Poppy little, they're like all scientific and stuff. That's adorable. Alright. We're about to end our video. We're about to show you everything we got. We're gonna recap everything. Alright, we've got, which car was this? This was the track hammer, or no, this was the project speeder. This was the project speeder. And then this was the track hammer. We're on the hunt for the bone shaker. Alright. We got our Meteor Stitch. That's what I'm gonna call it, Meteor Stitch. Ginger Stitch. We got our Lumpy Dorables, part of the Skate Party series. We got our Anna, part of the Slumber Party series. We got our Chewbacca and C-3PO. That was so cute. That was one of our first ones we opened. That's just adorable. We got our Kirby as a jester. That's pretty cool. We got this thing from the Harry Potter thing that I did not want. It's okay. We got our Littlest Pet Shop tiger with its T-bone. Where is everything else? Oh, okay. And we got our Skrill. How do you train your dragon box? That's Skrill. We just couldn't get his leg on. It's being difficult. Don't fall. Okay, we showed that one. Alright, we got our Queen of Wolves, and it's fuzzy. That one's a good one. I like this one. Alright, and then we've got our Poppy Scientist. And then we've got our Demo. Pretty sure, yeah, Dinosaur Egg Searcher. No. Dinosaur Egg Researcher. Sorry. That's adorable. Alright. Show him again. The Dinosaur Egg Researcher. It's adorable. And then on his notebook, I think it's got a cloud. And then he's got a magnifying glass. That's really cute. Alright. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all in the next video coming out this Friday. Y'all have an awesome day. Stay positive and be yourself.